So until we come to the place where we recognize the authority of Christ in our life, the authority of Holy Spirit to lead us in the path of righteousness for His name's sake, we can pray until the cows come home, and we will continue to struggle. Is God to blame? Sometimes God speaks to us and we make choices that are contrary to what He speaks and what He says and what He wants to do, because we feel that our hearts must lead us, and we make detrimental decisions that have repercussions, that have consequences. And one person said to me, I'll bear the consequences. Will you? Can you? It feels that way when it's feeling good, when you want to have your own will and your own way. But can you really bear the consequences of your disobedience?